Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 17. Which of the quantum number divides shells into orbitals? A. Principal, B. Subsidiary, C. Magnetic, and D. Spin. Now the principal quantum number simply shows the energy level. It shows the energy level or shell. The subsidiary quantum number represents the sub energy level, or what we call the subshell level. The subshell. Then the magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number simply shows the number of orbitals in an energy level. It simply means that magnetic quantum number divides shells into orbitals. Then the spin quantum number simply shows or describes the orientation of an electron in an orbital. So from this explanation, the answer to this question is option C, magnetic quantum number, that divides shell into orbitals because it represents and shows the number of orbitals in an energy level. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.